This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so in last class, we discussed about cancel check and blank check. Is there any doubts in that? Okay, and we have discussed about payment advice also. The next thing is cash flow and fund flow. Any idea what is mean by cash flow and fund flow? Can anyone give the answer for cash flow or fund flow?
Ma'am, cash flow is something like the cash that if we are a branch, so we'll get some cash for the expenses from the head office, saying that this will be your current for your expenses and other salaries and stuff. So
Okay,
the cash that comes in and how we spend it, we need to note it down and how is it spent and how much is saved.
okay. And what is fund flow? Okay, see here, cash flow is nothing but they both are cash flow and fund flow. They both are essential financial report for the movement of cash and funds during the specific accounting period. So here, this one we can also call it as inflow and outflow. So here we'll be using for the three activities. One is operating activity, that is for cash generated from business operations. Like for example, for the initial amount, we can say capital. So how we are using for expenses and the incomes. So it will be used in a operating activity. Investing activity, again it will be how we are investing for the purchase and sales and financial activity, so this will be related financial like loans or repayments. So these things we call it as a cash flow. And here the procedure to view the cash flow option in a tally, gateway of tally, final accounts and cash flow. So here I'll open tally here. So go to gateway of tally, display more reports. Here we have cash flow option. So the procedure is go to gateway of tally, display more reports, and here in accounting we have here cash flow. If I click on enter, you can see here what are the inflow and what are the outflow and what is the net. Everything it will display here. Got it everyone? All of you are in the same screen. You can see it will display along with the chart also. So this is a cash movement or cash flow. The same thing we have here fund flow. So it consists of your source of funds and application of funds. In other words, we'll take like assets and the liabilities, activate the increase working capital and activate that decrease working capital. Source and the application funds will be having in fund flow. The same procedure here also. Go to gateway of tally, display more reports, funds flow. See here. And here you can see here working capital with opening and closing and funds flow amount. See, if you press enter, it will display like this. Okay. The next one we have here stock summary. So stock summary is nothing but it will display what are the items we purchased, what are the items we sold. So everything it will display here in detailed information. So here I'll go to stock summary. It is there in gateway of Tally itself. Under reports we have a stock summary. Press enter and you can see here along with the stock groups list it will display books. We have 40 number, quantity, and what is the rate and the value, the total amount, the closing balance, everything it will display here. So here we have an option called stock item wise, that is a F5, and it will display. We can check it out with the stock item wise. Add gel pen, camphor, notebook, laptop, LG TV, everything it will display here. And we can display here with the group wise and the item wise. See here, this is what by default it is showing in a group wise. If I click on this F5 option, that is a stock item wise, it will display with the stock item wise. So this is what it will display the stock summary. So in stock summary, we can see the list of stock item along with the quantity and rate. And next one we have here stock query. So to display stock query option, gateway of Tally, display more reports, statement of inventory, and here the first option we have here stock query. I'll take any one of the stock item here. You can see here add gel pen. You can see the category stationery and what is the closing value, and you can see the purchasers, how much we purchased and how much we sold, everything, and even for the we transferred this one from one godown to another godown. So these are the things it will display. Are you on the same screen? Got it, everyone? Can you able to hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Give some response. No, are you in the same screen? You got this
Yes,
screen?
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. So here on right side you can see the option called show reorders. See, it will display here reorder status. Hide reorders. Okay. Like this we can do it for the different stock items. See, classmate notebook. We purchased 100. We sold 50. Again we sold by cash 10. So these are the things it will display. And along with the codons, everything it will show. So this is a stock category. So here in a group wise F5, and in the detailed information you can press Alt F5 in a stock summary. In a stock query, this is a path. Gateway of Tally, display more reports, statement of inventory, stock query, and you have to select the stock item F7 for show reorders. So these are the things will be coming here. Okay. Okay. So today I'm going to start with a topic called security control. So any idea what is security control? So what is mean by security? So we are all using the mobiles, and before opening the mobiles we'll give the password, right? Everyone are using password for your mobiles, maybe for wallpaper or
Yes,
WhatsApp or Facebook, right? So that is what we are giving the protection from others. We are protecting our mobiles by using the password. The same thing, we can protect our company, the Tally company, by using the passwords. So that is what we call it as a security control. So we can give the password and we can protect our company. See here, it is a feature that allows administrator to regulate and restrict access to the various functions of the software, ensuring data confidentiality and integrity. So this is will be useful for environments where multiple users access the same Tally data. So this is what will give the security control for the Tally data here. So we'll be using for data protection, prevents unauthorized access to financial and the business data, reduces the risk of accidental or sudden changes to important records, and it will be used for audit trail, keeps track of the who access the or modify the data when helps in maintaining accountability. So here there are two types of securities will be there in a Tally. Okay. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll create one new company, then I'll give the password. We can give it for existing company also, but the thing is if you forgot the password, so we can't access the company data again. So that's why, that is the reason I'm giving the, I'll create one more new company. Everyone can create one more new company. I'll go to create option. So all of you are in the company creation screen. You have to create one new company. If you are in company creation screen, see here on right side you can see this option will be coming. Security, control user access to company data. If you are not getting this option, press F12 configuration, and here use user access control. This option you should make yes. If you are not getting security option here. Okay. Got it everyone? Got it
ma'am,
everyone?
can you tell again?
You are in which screen now? Are you in a company?
Configuration, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. In configuration, last but one, use user access control.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, say yes for this option. You'll get this option. Control user access to company data. Type yes. Here it will display username and password. It will display username and password. So username I'll give here MCC. Password I'll give 123. So password I am giving 123. Okay. Done everyone. Done everyone. Okay, if I press enter, you can see the warning message here. Forgetting your password will render your data inaccessible. So once we forget the password, we can't open the company back. That is what the warning it is giving here. So it will not open in a, we can't open back in a educational mode. If I am in a license mode, if I forget the password, I can call to tally company and then we can ask for the password. But in educational mode, we can't get back the password. So I'm just saving the company here. This is a new company what I created, and again it is asking for username and password. So username I'll take MCC, password I have given 123. Now the company will be created successfully. Now you can see here there are two companies are there. The new company is MCC2 and this is a 2024 is a old company. Now what I will do, I'll close the entire tally. I'll close the entire tally now. Yes. So I close the entire tally. I'll open the tally back. I'll open my tally company back. See here. If I want to open the old company, that is MCC 2024, I'll just select it. The company is opened. I'll just close the company. I'll go for shed company for this. Now, if I want to open the new company, just now I created MCC2, this company. See, it will not open until we give the username and password. I'll take here MCC and the password I'll give something else like 456. I'll try to open, it's not opening. So once we give the correct password, then only the company will open. Is that clear? Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so now what I will do, I'll just close this new company. I'll open the old company, that is MCC 2024. So we'll try to give password for this company. See the new company, I went for create option. Already I'm using the existing company. So I have created all the vouchers, ledger, everything. So I want to protect this company. I'll go to company, alter. If you are giving the password for your old company, open that company first and go to alter. And here you can see here, the security is control user to access the data. Say yes. And again it is asking for username and password. I'll give MCC. I'll give same password so that I can remember. So I'm giving the username is MCC and the password is same 123 only I've given here. Again it is giving the warning. Save it. So now it is protected with the password. I'll just close the company. So if I want to open the company back, I have to give the username and password. See? So be careful while giving the password for your existing company. Done, everyone? Do you have any doubts in this? Are you unable to give the password? There is a chat box. You can message me in that. Done, everyone? Okay. See, I created the password for entire company. That means my company is protected with the password. The next thing is we have here the sum of the options. I'll show it in a company. See here under user management, we have here change user, change password, users and passwords, user roles, password policy. So these are the options we have here. So password policy is nothing but, so in a company many people are working, like owner will be there, data entry people will be there, tally.net auditor, tally.net user. So these are the many employees will be working under one company. So what I will do, I can restrict some of the options is not to display for the data entry people. For example, balance sheet, P&L account. So these reports are not necessary for data entry people. When I am giving the tally software for them to access or to do the transaction, I will hide some of the options. So that options we can hide for the data entry people
Ma'am,
by using, yeah.
ma'am, that is not there. User management in my screen.
Have you given the password for your company? Once you give the password, then only it will come. So that is the reason I am telling you to give the password. If you are not giving the, if you are not activating the security control, you will not get these are the options. If you are not getting, I'll repeat once again. If you are in which screen, you can tell me. I'll help you to give the password for your company.
I'm gateway of tally screen.
Okay. Is that your existing company or new company?
New company.
Okay. New company, right? Then go to create. Create one new company and you can see the security option. If you're not getting security option over there, you have to press F12. Got it? Okay, so I hope everyone are given the password for your company. You have to give it for new company as well as the old company. That password you should not forget. You have to remember the password what you are given. Okay. So the next one we have here user management. User management we have these are the options: change user, change password, users and passwords, user roles and password policy. So as I told you, in a company there are many people will be working in that one, and we cannot give all the permissions to see the company activity for the data entry people. So we have to hide some of the options, whether it is a balance sheet or P&L account. So these are the things we'll hide. Only we'll give the access for only for the senior peoples or a manager level we can give. For data entry people will not allow them to view the data. So to do these things, first we have to set the password policy. See, password policy is it is used to set the password limit for the users. So hope everyone are in the password policy screen. It will come under company, Alt K. See here, once I click on password policy, you can see it will display the company name and activate password policy. If I say yes, so these are the options will activated now. So once I save this one again, I can't open back this. So see everyone carefully. The password strength, I'll take 6 characters. And the second option, specify advanced parameter for password strength. So the minimum password length I've given here 6. In that the advanced parameters I have to enter here. You can see here number of alphabets, numbers and the special characters. How many alphabets, how many numbers or special characters it should contain in a password policy I have to set here. So I'll take here 3 alpha, 2 numbers and 1 special character. All of you are in the same screen. You got it? Got it? These are the options.
Ma'am, can you repeat once again, ma'am?
Which one? You're in which screen now?
Gateway of
Okay. Click on this company. I'm showing the cursor here. Hand symbol is coming here. Click on this
Yes,
company.
ma'am.
You got that user management options.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In that, the last one, password policy. Click on that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You got it. This one, activate password policy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Type this password policy as yes. So once you type this yes, then only it will be activated. These are the things. Now minimum password length. Before it was 8. Now I have taken 6. And I am specifying the advanced parameters here. For the password strength, say yes for this option. And here I have choose here 3 alphabets, 2 numbers and 1 special characters. So any idea what is mean by special characters?
Like hash, at
Yeah. Hash, at, percentage, ampersand. So these are the things we call it as a special characters. And password expiry. Password expires after how many days we have to mention here. We can take 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. So let it be 90 days only. And notify users before password expires. So I'll say yes because the user has to user should come to know when the password will be expired. So we can notify before 1 day or before 3 days. So I'll take here before 3 days. Restrict the use of old password. I'll say yes. I don't want to use the old passwords, and number of old passwords you can take 1 or 2. So I'll take here 2. Done till here? Done everyone?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah, do slowly.
Ma'am, could you go back to the screen?
You are in which screen now? If you are in a gateway of Tally screen, you can just click on this company. Once you click on company, it will display password policy option. It will come under user management. Got it? Before that, you have to give the password for your company. Then only the options will come. Otherwise, it will not come. You're in which screen now? Have you given the password for your company?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, now under password expires, you have taken your password expire after 90 days. Notify user before password expires. I'll take yes here. Notify before 3 days. Restrict the use of old password. I say yes here. And number of old password I have taken 2 here. And in other options, you can see here, change password on first login. So some of the people, they will be changing on a first login itself. I don't want to change them. So that's why let it be no only. And allow user to change the password. So this option also I am taking no. So last two option, let it be no. Then save this one. Click on save. If you are typing, I'll give time to type. You can type the same thing, whatever the things I have taken here. Done everyone? Okay. So after activating the password policy, we have to create a users and passwords. So I'll repeat here. Under user management, the third option, users and passwords. Click on this option. Now you can see here list of user for company. On right side, it will display the list. Data entry, owner, tally.net auditor, tally.net owner, and tally.net users. So these are the 5 options it will display here. Now we are creating for data entry people. So I am creating for data entry people. All of you are in the same screen. So you should go to gateway of tally. In a gateway of tally, we have a company here. Click on that company and click on this users and passwords. Okay, I'll go to data entry. The user role, I'm selecting data entry. So name. So I'll take one name is Akash. Password. we specified the passport policy strength as 6 characters. Out of this, I have taken 3 alphabets, 2 number, and 1 special character. So I'll take here the 3 character AKA, 2 numbers 1 2, special character I'll give ash. Total it should be 6. So I'll create one more data entry.
And what password?
So for the data entry people, I am creating the username and password. See, the previously what we have created for the entire company. So this is for a different roles in a company. We are creating the password.
This one is another password.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Go to company username and password. So I'll create one more data entry is Ramesh. So I'll give RAM 12 star. This is a special character. You can type like number of people. And here allow browser access should be no, allow remote access should be no, TDR files also should be no. Only we have to type the username and the password. So select only for data entry, don't give for owner or tally.net auditor. Done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After this, save this one. One minute, I'll come. So done everyone, creating username and password. Okay, so now I'll go to user and passwords. So here the next option we have in company, user roles. So it will comes under user management. Click on user roles. Got it everyone? User roles. Click on data entry. And you can see here in that security levels, the name of security level is data entry. Use basic facilities of data entry people. You can see here, disallow the following facility and allow the following facility. So what are the,
Excuse me.
yeah, tell me.
Can you repeat once again, ma'am?
Okay, you're in which screen? Do one thing.
K2F.
Okay, so go to company, user roles. Have you done with the users and password?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now go to user roles.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go to data entry. You got the same screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, name of the security level, you can see automatically it will display data entry. Use basic facilities of data entry. Once again, you have to type here data entry. And here, what we are giving for the data entry people, the basic level, what are the information they can view. You can see here, disallow the following facilities down, like accounting master, balance sheet, cash flow, company features. So these are the features we are disallowing. What we have to do, keep on enter slowly. You can see full access we are disallowing for the data entry people. It is not required for them stock summary or balance sheet. These are the options. And here you can see we are allowing them. I'll take only accounting vouchers or accounting masters. Okay. So what you have to do, once you come to allow the following facility, take it as alter. Either you can give them create. So right now I am giving the option as alter. Got it everyone? Alter accounting vouchers. Alter accounting vouchers end of list. If you want you can take some other options also. Alter accounting voucher end of list. So right now I have created only for data entry people. I didn't create for tally.net user or auditor. I am not taking these are the options. Okay. After this, press escape for the previous screen. Press escape. Okay. Done. Done everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now I'll go to company. Here we have a option change user. So once you select change user, click on change username. Username I'll take here Akash. Password I've taken 6 digits, that is a AKA 1 2 and ash. Now you can see here, if I open the company in a gateway of Tally, you can see what are the things we allowed only for the vouchers. You can see in gateway of Tally, it is showing only these are the options. Balance sheet is not showing, stock summary is not showing because we make disallow those are the features. So whenever that person will come and open the Tally, it will display only these are the options to do changes to him. We didn't give permission to access all the options in Tally. Got it, everyone? If you want me to repeat again, you just tell me you are in which screen. I'll help you in that one.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay, the same way,
Change user, ma'am.
change user. Okay, click on change user. You get the change username option. Okay, one more name I took, Ramesh. Okay, let me come back to original company only, MCC. See, now this is my main company. It will display everything, all the report is it is showing. But for the data entry people, we hide some of the options that will be there in change user option. If you go to change user, you have to change the username also. Then only it will display. If I take here Ramesh, I've taken 3 characters, RAM, 1, 2 and star. See, for him also it is not activated any vouchers or any balance sheet or any reports here. We have given only the limited options, not even inventory also. We gave permission only for the accounting vouchers. Got it, everyone? Okay, so I'll take one more new company. Just now I created MCC2. See here, if you are created new company, just open that company using the password. I'll show you one more option without giving password policy. So in a previous example, in a previous company, I have taken password policy option. In that we have mentioned the number of strength of the password. So without password policy, we can create a username and password also. That I am showing in a new company. If you are in a old company, open that new company what you have created along with the password. If you still didn't give any password, go to company option, create one new company, you'll get security option, you can give the password. Okay, now I'll go to user and password directly. I'm not showing this password policy. Directly I'm going to user and password. So for data entry, I'll take a single letter is A and password I'll give here 1234. Again for data entry, I'll take B. I'll take 5678. Okay, so you should go to company option, users and password. Before that, that company should be protected with the password, then only you'll get the options. Now this one I'm showing without password policy, without mentioning the password strength or the password limits. Okay, got it everyone, this option, user rules.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, open that new company what you have created now. Otherwise, create one new company. You know how to create company, right? Create one new company. Under security, give the username and password. You can give one letter for the username and password 123, anything you can give that you can remember. Done.
Yes, ma'am. After creating company, ma'am.
Okay. Have you given the password for that company?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm showing here. See, like this you got it, no? User access to company data, username, password, everything you are given, right? Save this one. After this, just save. So if you save the company, it will display gateway of tally screen, right? Or you'll get the message as company created successfully. Done. Done, everyone. Now go to company option. Click on company. You got the user management option, everyone. The total 5 options. In that you have to click on users and passwords.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So user roles, I'll take here data entry. Username, I'll take only one letter A. Passwords, I didn't mention any password strength here. So I'm just taking 1234. Username is A, password I have taken 1234. I'll take one more data entry person. I'll take B 5678. Okay. Save it. Done. Save this one. After saving this, go to user role. The next thing, we have to set the user roles. Click on data entry again. Go to user roles, click on data entry, and here use basic facilities of data entry. Got it this screen, everyone? So those who are doing simultaneously got the same screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now keep on enter, and there are two options here: disallow the following facility and allow the following facility. So these are the things we are disallowing, like funds flow, cash flow, balance sheet, everything. Keep on enter slowly till it will come to this allow following facility. Hope everyone are in this one. Here you can take alter. Alter anything, accounting masters, audit listing. So there are many options here. In that I am taking the option as accounting voucher. So these two data entry people, they can be working only in accounting vouchers. The other things is not necessary for them. So that is the thing I am allowing the facility for them. That's all. You have to press enter. And once you got the same user role screen, you just press escape. If you are in the same screen, press escape. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see, this is our main company. It is showing everything, balance sheet, P&L account, everything it is showing. Now if I change the user, to change the user, again we should go to company. The first option we have here, change user. Here you can see here in a change user, the company is this one MCC only, and the username I'll take here A. Password 1234. You can see it is coming now limited options. Balance sheet is not showing because we allow them to do only the limited facilities. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, you can check it out for the second person, the data entry person. Again, go to change user. Username is B. 5678 is a password what I have given. The same thing it will display. Okay. Done, everyone? Okay, now I'll go back to company, change user. I'll go back to original company only, MCC. 123 is a password. So I want to display everything, balance sheet, stock summary, everything it will display. Is that clear? Is it clear? Okay.
Mm, Ma'am, wait a second.
Hmm?
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, see here, there are two types of security. One is providing the password for your company and use the user roles, username and the password, like a different people in a company, data entry people. The one more we have here, Tally Vault password. Now I am going to show you Tally Vault password. See, the first thing, Tally Vault password, whenever we are using for the company, it will not display the company name. It will hide the company name, and we have to identify our company with the identification number. Whenever I'll give the Tally Vault password for the company, it will not display the company name. I have to identify my company with the identification number. See, for example, I'll go to this shirt company. I'm just closing the company. You can see here in a list of companies. So this is a number 0100020140. So these are the numbers are showing here, right? So do one thing, go to shirt company and it will display the company identification number. Hope you're everyone are seeing the number, right? Go to shirt company. It will display your company name along with the identification number, right? Okay. Now, see tally vault password again I'll give for the new company. I'll go to create. So I'm creating one company called Tally Company. So everyone create one new company and don't take this option. Yes, the security don't take this option. We have to take vault password. So before that you have to create one company. Hope everyone are in the company creation screen. Go to Tally Company. Create one new company and again go to F12 configuration. In F12 you can see here Tally vault password to encrypt company data. This option you should make yes. I am not showing these are the password or Tally vault password for the existing company, because if you forgot the password the entire data will be, it will be lost. We can't open the back. So that's why I'm creating every time new company. See here, use Tally vault password. Say this option as yes. You can see under security the first option sets Tally vault password. Got it everyone? Okay. So here Tally vault password. Tally vault password I have to enter. The same thing I am taking here also 1231. So that is a number I can remember. Again Tally vault password I'll enter 123. Done up to here. See, this is my company name is Tally Company and this is a vault password I have given here and I am saving the file. I am not giving this access control to company data. Directly I am giving vault password only. Hope everyone done this one. I'm just saving. Now I have to enter Tally vault password. Company created successfully. Now you can see it is displaying the company name Tally Company and MCC2. I'll just close the both the companies. I'm just closing both the companies and you can see the changes here. Even I'm closing this old company also. So I'm closing both the companies. Now you can see here the first company, it is not showing the company name. You can see it is showing like star and this is the identification number. So we have a limited company, so that's why we can identify this is our company, Tally Vault company. But if it is a huge number of companies, if it is in a Tally Vault password is given, so we have to identify with the identification number. See, if I open this company, Tally Vault password is asking, and now you can see the Tally company, it will display the company name here. Got it everyone? Okay, fine. Understood this one? Okay, the second one. So Tally Vault password is done. And now we have one more option here, auto login credential. So auto login credential is nothing but if I am using the companies, see, you can see here, allow user to log in their Tally company automatically without entering the username and password manually every time. So this will be using to save the time here. So this option we call it as a auto login credential. So is there any doubts in Tally Vault password? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubts in Tally Vault password?
No.
Okay. Now I am showing auto login credential. Okay, let me close this Tally company. Okay, so let me create one more company. So here, to make auto login credential, I am creating the company here. Like I am creating number of company, like company name 01, 02 and 03. So total I am creating 3 companies at a time along with the password. This is not Tally Vault password. This is a normal password what we are given previously. So the company name I have taken here CO, and the password I have given 123. Repeat password also I'll give 123. I'm just saving this company. Like this, let me create one more company. So I'll create one more company now. Don't give Tally Vault password for this one. So company 2, password I'll take same thing, or you can take different password. 456 I'll take. So I'm taking different password and different username for these things. This is a company 2. 456 is a password for this. Again, it is created successfully. I'll create one more company. Company name 03. So I'll give 789 as a password. Okay. So done everyone creating the companies. If you are creating, I'll wait some time. You can create total 3 companies. Create all 3 companies with the username and password. You have to give the username and password for each company.
I'm getting Tally Vault password itself. I'm not getting that security.
Don't give Tally Vault password. See
But
here.
that security option I'm not getting only.
Okay. Press F12. I'm showing the cursor here. You can see on right side. Press F12. In that, don't activate vault password. The next one, user access control. Don't activate vault. The next one, user access control. This option you should make yes. Got it? Got it now? So under security, I open the same screen here. You can give the username and password. And what about others? Done everyone?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Done everyone? Okay. Now, you can see here in a gateway of Tally, next to that we have total 3 companies we have here. And for each and every company, we are given the password. Now, to activate auto login credential, go to F1. On right side on the top, you have here F1 help is there. Click on this F1 help option and then settings. Got it? Settings. And you have the option called startup.
Ma'am, could you repeat?
Yeah. I'm showing the cursor here. You can see F1 help is there. Next to print. You got this help option. I'm showing the cursor here. Then settings. And then startup. Click on startup. You got this screen. All of you are in the same screen. Okay. Now, here we have an option called login. Enable auto login for companies with the same credential. This option is no is there. You should make yes. Just press enter. Select that and press enter. You can see it automatically it will change it to yes. Got it this screen everyone? The startup settings. You should go to F1 help settings, startup, and this option will get. Press enter. Once you selected, press enter and escape. Now you can see here, without giving the password, for these are the companies automatically we can open. Just click on this. Without asking password, we can open these are the companies. That is a use of auto login credential. Got it, everyone? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we'll go back to our old company. So I'll open with the password. So don't forget the password what you are given for the old company, because once you forget the password, you can't open the bank. So any doubts in today's session? Security, users and password policy, change username. So any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
It's clear? Clear, everyone? Okay, you can see here, if I go to company, we have options like select Alt F3, Shift Control F3. So these are the shortcut keys. You can see here, feature is F11 and F2 date, F3 company, F12 configuration. So these are the shortcut keys are important here. Okay, and tally vault password. Once I give the tally vault password for the company, it will not display the company name. We have to identify with the identification number. And identification numbers are nothing but, so if the two students will create a same company, the tally will identify with the identification number. So whenever we'll create a company, many companies in a tally, every time it will give the unique identification number. You can see. So these are the unique identification number will be provided by tally company. And this was 5 digit in up to tally ERP9. So now onwards in tally prime, they'll be started giving a 6 digit of identification number. And here also we have a security option here. Directly we can go to this security and we can set the username and password. And F11 feature option is there. If you just click on these features, directly it will go to company features option. And here also we can give a tally vault. So these are the options will be there under company. and we have a online access also. But right now we are in educational mode. It will not work online access in educational portion. So is there any doubts in today's session?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay, so the remaining things I'll teach you in the next class, that is tomorrow. Okay, thank you everyone.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.